Thanks for watching What to Expect When You're Expecting. To buy Philadelphia area real estate, of course, with me, Stacy Sanseverino, your realtor and wealth building advisor for life. In this session, we will address why a tax abatement isn't no taxes, but can save you thousands of dollars. In order to promote development in the city of Philadelphia, builders can apply for a 10-year tax abatement that they can pass on to their buyers, who will pay more for new homes with lower, more predictable taxes. Taxes are based on the assessed market value of your property multiplied by the tax rate set by City Council. If either goes up, your taxes will go up. A tax abatement is a freeze on your property's assessed value before it was developed for a period of 10 years. So your taxes will only go up if the tax rate goes up. So here's how an abatement works. A piece of land was purchased for and assessed at $50,000. A new home was built and sold to the buyer for $450,000. Without an abatement, the total assessed value of the land and improvements would be $450,000. Multiply that by the current Philadelphia tax rate of about 1.5% as of 2019. That would be an annual tax of $6,750. With an abatement, the assessed value is just the land portion, which was that $50,000. Multiply that by 1.5% and your annual taxes are $750 a year. Over 10 years, that is $67,500 versus $7,500, a difference of $60,000. In this scenario, if the annual tax rate goes up by 2%, the one with the abatement goes up to $1,000 and the one without the abatement goes up to $9,000. So you can see that while a tax abatement is not no taxes, it is extremely valuable over the life of the abatement. So to start your abatement after closing, you will get a piece of paper from the seller at closing. You'll get the certificate to commence the abatement and the abatement approval. So you'll fill in some information and then mail it or bring it to City Hall to start the abatement. Because we want to make sure that you're 100% happy with your taxes for 10 years, as your buyer's agent, we will be sure to remind you of this at closing so that you will brag about us to your friends, family, and coworkers, since referrals are the lifeblood of our business. Now that you know what to expect when you're expecting, to buy Philadelphia area real estate, of course, please leave a comment below. We'd love to know what you think.